How are you? We're going to draw a lovely couple here. We see the 9 dots here. This is the umbrella. Actually, it's raining. Let's connect the dots. We connect some straight lines like this. Okay, so the umbrella is complete. Now a girl under the umbrella. We're drawing the girl now. This is the skirt. All right. It's her leg. Let's put a shoe on her leg. Another legs are like this. There's another shoe for her. All right, this is the boy. Here's the belt of his pant. Drawing is almost done. There's also a shoe for the boy here too. Okay, now let's do the detailing. We begin from the umbrella. All right. Each of the corner getting shaped. Also, let's put some shades in the middle. The dress of the girl is getting more visible, looking more interesting, more pleasant because of the little detailing we're doing here. Okay, let's do little work on the legs here. shoes are little darker. Little shades on the legs too, another legs. Okay. The boy wearing a pant. And now it's raining. Put some raindrops here to make the scenery more romantic. Okay, they're standing on the ground. Let's put little bit shades here. Raindrops are falling on the ground. This is it. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and tell your friends and family members. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day.